Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use C4 pre-workout. C4 is a well-known supplement formulated to give you an energy boost and improve focus for your workouts. It contains key ingredients such as caffeine for alertness, creatine for strength, and beta-alanine for endurance. Understanding its components helps you use it effectively to maximize your training sessions and achieve your fitness goals. To use C4 safely and effectively, always start with 1 scoop to gauge your body's reaction. Mix that 1 scoop thoroughly with about 6 to 8 ounces of cold water. It's best to drink this mixture approximately 20 to 30 minutes before you begin your exercise routine. This timing allows the ingredients to take effect, providing you with optimal energy and focus when you need it most. When using C4, remember a few important tips. First, try to avoid consuming it too late in the day, as the caffeine can interfere with your sleep. Second, ensure you drink plenty of water during your workout to stay hydrated, especially with stimulant use. Lastly, it's crucial not to exceed 2 scoops within any 24-hour time frame to prevent potential side effects and ensure your safety. C4 pre-workout is typically suitable for healthy adults who are looking for an extra edge in their workouts. However, if you have any underlying health conditions, it's always wise to consult with a doctor before adding any new supplement to your routine. Furthermore, if you are particularly sensitive to caffeine or other stimulants, this product might not be the best choice for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.